Hi guys, I would like to explain the data conversion process today. What is data conversion? It's a process of moving the required data from client's legacy system to Oracle. It is one-time activity in implementation projects before our client goes live. Being an Oracle consultant, we need to ensure that the data gets imported in Oracle from legacy. Here, the legacy could be any client's existing application. So the process steps are like first we need to convert the master data and then the transactional data and the conversion of closing balances data as on cutoff date in the form of journals in GL. And then we need to convert the open transactions as on cutoff date into subledger modules like AP, AR, FA, and cash management. And then we import the subledger modules data into GEL, and then we need to reverse those entries in GL to avoid the double impact. And Oracle has given different APT templates and ADFDI approaches to load the data into Oracle. We'll try to understand in each module what are the different objects and what kind of approaches we have to load the data. First, let's talk about AP. In AP, primarily we have suppliers. Under suppliers, we have different objects. It is part of master data, and Oracle has given some predefined APT templates like supplier import, supplier address, supplier site assignments, and supplier contacts. These are the different APT templates, and these should be loaded in sequence one after another. And generally, if you are implementing procurement as well, generally they take care of upload process. If not, we can load as a finance consultant, we can load suppliers data and then suppliers bank accounts. Regular has already given a separate FBD template for supplier bank accounts as well. And coming to invoices, for open invoices, credit memo and prepayments, Oracle has given one predefined FBT templates. By using that, we can load the data for open invoices and credit memos. And even for prepayments, we can use the same template. But of course, for prepayments, there is some additional step we need to perform because prepayments are already paid in the legacy. So we can bring those invoices as is, as open invoices, and need to create a payment by using dummy bank account to make those prepayments available for application once our clients start entering the transactions. And coming to AI, we have different objects, customers and open invoices. For customers, we have two different templates given by Oracle. One is simplified version, which has four sheets in a BD template, and another one is complex model, which is also called data model, where Oracle has given 19 sheets. Depends on the client requirement. We can use any one of the template to load the customer data. And coming to transactional data, we have open invoices and credit memos. There is an auto invoice ability template. By using that, we can load the transactional data, which are open invoices and also credit memos. And coming to unapplied receipts, the receipts which are not applied before the cutoff date should also be converted. And there are two approaches. Either we can use ADFDA or web service to load the unapplied receipts data. And in cash management, we have two objects. One is bank branches and bank accounts. We have already one rapid implementation sheet. By using that, we can load the bank branches and bank accounts. Here it is referring to internal bank accounts of the client. And coming to open bank statement lines, we have another FBG template. By using that, we can load the open bank statement lines, which is called transactional data. And in GL, we need to load the account balances, the GL balances using general import FBG template. And in FA, we have asset category, asset books. We can use FBG template to load the data. which is called master data. And for loading the asset balances, we have Master's BT template. By using that, we can load the transaction data. So these are the different objects we have, and this is the object type. Being a functional consultant, we need to ensure the data is loaded, and after loading, we need to reconcile the balances to ensure that they are properly loaded. I hope this helps. Thank you.